Imagine this, you're going about your daily routine when, out of the blue, your pension payment gets delayed. Starting January 2025, the Department for Work and Pensions, DWP, will implement new bank account checks aimed at ensuring pension payments are accurate and reach the right individuals. These checks will focus on monitoring regular transactions, overseas activities, and cross-referencing your financial information with other government databases. The DWP will analyze patterns in your spending and deposits to confirm that your financial activities align with your declared living situation. For instance, if you've stated you live alone but your bank statements show regular grocery bills that suggest otherwise, this could trigger a review. Additionally, if you frequently travel or have family abroad, the DWP will monitor international money transfers and extended periods of overseas withdrawals to ensure compliance with benefit eligibility rules. To prepare for these changes, it's crucial to ensure all your personal information with the DWP is up to date, including your current address, contact details, and any changes in your living situation. Keep clear records of any overseas travel plans or extended stays abroad, and maintain organized records of any additional income sources. By understanding and preparing for these new checks, you're taking an essential step in securing your financial future. Stay informed and proactive to ensure your pension payments continue smoothly. Remember, these measures are designed to protect the pension system and legitimate claimants like you. By staying ahead of these changes, you're not just protecting your financial future, you're ensuring peace of mind for yourself and your loved ones. Let's dive deeper into what these new DWP checks mean for pensioners like you and why it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. Starting January 2025, the Department for Work and Pensions will introduce a new layer of scrutiny aimed at ensuring that every pound of pension payments reaches those who truly need it. While this might sound intimidating at first, let's break it down so you know exactly what to expect and how to navigate these changes with ease. The first major focus of these checks is your regular transactions. Imagine the DWP looking at patterns in your bank account, such as your spending habits, bill payments, and even grocery purchases. It's not about spying on you or micromanaging your finances, rather, it's to ensure that the information you've declared matches what's reflected in your financial activities. For instance, if you've claimed to live alone but your account shows frequent large grocery bills or payments that suggest a shared household, this might raise a red flag. But don't panic, there's no need to worry if you're living honestly and within the rules. The key here is transparency. If your spending patterns don't align with your declared living situation, be prepared to explain these variations. It could be something as simple as helping out a neighbor or splitting costs with a family member. Keeping clear and organized records will make all the difference in resolving any questions quickly and smoothly. Now, let's talk about overseas transactions. Are you someone who loves to travel, has family abroad, or maybe even spends part of the year in another country? If so, you'll want to pay close attention to this part. The DWP will be monitoring international money transfers, ATM withdrawals in foreign countries, and extended periods without UK-based transactions. Why does this matter? Because there are strict rules about how long you can stay abroad while receiving your pension. For some benefits, you need to spend at least half the year in the UK, while others may have different requirements entirely. If you're planning a lengthy trip or regularly send money to loved ones overseas, make sure you're fully aware of these rules to avoid any complications. Think about it, you wouldn't want to come back from a relaxing holiday only to find that your payments have been delayed or, worse, stopped altogether. The good news is that most of these issues can be avoided with proper reporting. If you're planning an extended stay abroad, notify the DWP in advance. Keep a record of your travel dates and any significant transactions made while you're away. These proactive steps will ensure that your payments continue without interruption and that you stay compliant with the rules. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. The third and final check involves cross-referencing your bank account information with other government databases. This means that DWP will be comparing your financial activity with records from HM Revenue and Customs, local authorities, the Electoral Register, and other departments. The goal here is to create a comprehensive system that ensures every payment is accurate and goes to the right person. It also helps to identify potential eligibility for additional benefits you might not even know you qualify for. For example, you could discover that you're entitled to pension credit, housing benefit, or even a winter fuel payment. Imagine the relief of uncovering extra support that could make a real difference in your daily life. But let's not ignore the elephant in the room: privacy. It's natural to feel uneasy about your bank account being scrutinized, but rest assured that the DWP must follow strict data protection regulations. This includes compliance with the Data Protection Act 2018, the UK's GDPR, and the Human Rights Act. They can only access specific information relevant to your pension payments, and all checks must be conducted lawfully and transparently. So, while it might feel invasive, these measures are designed to protect the system and ensure fairness for everyone. So, how can you prepare for these changes and ensure you're fully compliant? First, start by reviewing your bank account activity. Look for any recurring payments or transactions that might raise questions, such as regular deposits from sources other than your pension, money transfers to family members, or large purchases. If any of these apply to you, make sure you have documentation to back them up. This could include receipts, bank statements, or even a simple explanation of the circumstances. Second, update your personal information with the DWP. This includes your current address, contact details, and any changes in your living situation. For example, if someone new has moved into your home or if you've recently started renting out a room, make sure this is reflected in your records. Being upfront about these changes will save you a lot of hassle down the line. Third, keep clear records of any overseas travel plans. If you're planning to be away for an extended period, notify the DWP in advance and keep a record of your travel dates. This will help you stay compliant with the rules and avoid any potential payment delays. Lastly, take advantage of this opportunity to review your overall financial situation. Are there additional benefits you might be eligible for but haven't claimed? Now is the time to find out. The DWP's enhanced system is designed to help uncover potential support programs that could benefit you. Whether it's pension credit, housing benefit, or attendance allowance, these programs can provide valuable financial relief and improve your quality of life. As we wrap up, remember that these changes are not about penalizing pensioners but about protecting the integrity of the system and ensuring fairness for all. By staying informed and prepared, you're taking an essential step in securing your financial future. Knowledge is power, and being proactive now will save you time and stress later. If you've found this information helpful, don't forget to share it with other pensioners who might benefit from it. Staying informed is your best defense against any unexpected challenges. And, of course, keep an eye on our channel for more updates and expert analysis on topics that matter most to you. Together, we can navigate these changes with confidence and ensure that your pension rights are protected. Thank you for watching, and here's to a secure and worry-free financial future for all UK pensioners. Let's take a moment to truly understand how the new DWP bank checks could impact your life starting in January 2025. These measures are designed to ensure fairness and accuracy in pension payments, but they also require you to be more proactive in managing your financial records. One of the key changes involves monitoring regular transactions in your bank account. The DWP will examine patterns in your spending and deposits to verify that they align with your declared living situation. For example, if your bank statements show recurring large grocery bills but you've claimed to live alone, this discrepancy might prompt a review. While this might sound alarming, remember, transparency is your ally here. If you've been honest about your circumstances, you have nothing to fear. Another significant focus is on overseas transactions. If you're someone who enjoys traveling or has family abroad, the DWP will be keeping an eye on international money transfers, foreign ATM withdrawals, and prolonged periods without UK-based transactions. These checks are not about limiting your lifestyle but ensuring compliance with eligibility rules, especially when certain benefits require you to spend a specific amount of time in the UK each year. If you're planning an extended trip abroad, it's essential to notify the DWP in advance and keep clear records of your travel dates and financial activities during your time away. These small steps can help you avoid disruptions in your pension payments. Perhaps the most comprehensive change involves cross-referencing your bank account activity with other government databases. This new system will check your financial data against records from HMRC, local authorities, and more to verify your identity and circumstances. This process also aims to uncover potential benefits you might be missing, like pension credit or winter fuel payments. By staying informed and prepared, you're not just safeguarding your payments but also potentially discovering additional support that could enhance your financial stability. Transparency, awareness, and organization are the keys to navigating these changes with confidence.